What's good, YouTube family? What's good, what's good, what's good? It's your man Danny signing in for the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny on this March 29th, 2022. I'm grateful to see another day for sure. It's kind of cloudy today in Dallas, or specifically Irving, where I'm at. But still was a blessing to see another day. Still trying to get over this little sickness, man. I might got just another day or two. It's just been kind of irritating because it's kind of been all in my throat and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get through it, man. Been taking my teas and make sure I'm eating my vegetables and stuff like that, man. You know, your boy, trying to stay on top of his health game to the best of my ability. God willing, he'll pull me on through. But yeah, man, just checking back in for the latest edition where we're gonna take a look at the charts and see what's going on, and see what we can kind of possibly anticipate, in the near future. Looking into, the tomorrow, early morning hours, tomorrow in the afternoon, and until the next time we see each other, or next time I do another one of these. If anybody interested in getting coached up on some Forex, hit me up, holler at your boy. Information is scrolling below. You can follow me on Instagram, DM me there. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment with feedback, even if you're watching live, let me know you're watching. Holler back at your boy, like the video, share it. And my email address, DannyGoodman03@gmail.com. Holla at me, Definitely a great time to trade. It's a great time to, be in the markets. It's volatile, it's moving. Sometimes it doesn't always do what we anticipate it to do. Sometimes it, throws us a curveball, but that's why we must do our due diligence. We must stay persistent at the same time and continue to stay in this thing, not be scared of loss, which brings me to the next point. The disclaimer that with any investing or investments, there is a risk of loss. So you gotta do your due diligence, and no past performances indicate future results. So even if we go over any past results or anything like that, it doesn't indicate that it's going to be any future success necessarily. So you must do your due diligence. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and go to the charts and see what's going on. So here we go. So yesterday we looked at the charts, and I kind of showed y'all some of my past losses and some modifications I've done to my strategy, and I also showed y'all how I'm in a trade now currently. Well, I was in a trade then, but I'm still in this trade. Still looking to see if it's gonna get to my take profit or not, or if it's gonna reverse. Something that happened really interesting in this trade is it was going down, and down, and overnight, well, over the early morning hours, it shot up as if it was going to just do something crazy, but it came on back down, and it's bringing us to the point where it's kind of at right now, where it's kind of acting like it's wanting to test and go back up, but it's looking like it's getting rejected, because if you see this wick, this stem right here, it's called a wick. So it just shows that price has been there, and now price is back down here. So we're just showing price has been there. Just like if you look at this one, it's just showing that price was here, but it ultimately closed up here. But it's looking like it has a good chance to go on down. I'm not worried whatsoever, because I can't lose. What I've done since yesterday is I brought my stop loss into profit. So you see this red line, that's my stop loss there. So I brought that into profit. So even if it does something crazy, I'm not losing on this trade. But I'm going to hang in it because it's looking good to me. The only other reason I might get out is if it closes above this moving average here. If it closes above it, say for instance, if this candle continues to go up and it closes above this green moving average, I just might consider getting out of it. And then might look to get back in it if it closes back under it. But other than that, I think I'm just going to ride it out and see what happens, because it has a good potential to come on down. It's looking like it tested these support prices around here, and it's getting hung up around here. So this is going to be a pivotal price point. If it can get below this price or approximately this price, then it could just, it could definitely hit my stop loss. Not my stop loss, my take profit. And if it can get through some of these other critical price points, it could definitely go even further. But we'll definitely just have to, I'm just going to have to wait and be patient and not get greedy, not get anxious, and just kind of see what the market is going to do for me. See if it's going to go ahead and, bring me back into, get my profits back going and stuff like that, and give me some confidence with this new strategy as well. But it's going to be a critical time, in the next day or so to see what's going to happen. Because even with all that being said, how I'm anticipating it going down, you could still just shoot up and say, "Forget you, Danny." You know what I'm saying? I don't care what you want, or what you think, or what you hoping for, what you anticipating, or anything. I'm supposed to do what I want to do, so it could do that. But yeah, that's that, man. So we'll, God willing, I'll check back in with y'all tomorrow, and y'all kind of see what has happened, whether I'm still in the trade, whether I'm not in the trade, where did I get out of the trade at, did it hit my stop loss, did I get out of it with it closing above that moving average, or what did it do, or did you say, "Forget you, Danny," and just, rally to the top. But this has been another edition of Forex Trading with Danny. Appreciate, you all for checking me out. Hope somebody might have, learned something. I know I'm talking high level. This isn't necessarily like a beginner's. I'm not coaching in these videos. I'm basically just kind of going over what I'm anticipating in my personal trades. I'm not necessarily coaching you in these videos. So anybody who might not have no experience with Forex, y'all, is probably, me talking on these videos might be over your head, though. If you do have some Forex knowledge or understanding, you probably are able to keep up. But, again, if you're interested in learning more, finding out more about Forex, hit me up. I'm definitely down and willing to coach anybody up so that they can take advantage and get into this really good market, man. We're talking about a multi-trillion dollar a day industry where millionaires are being made. But I don't necessarily aspire to be a millionaire per se, but I just want to be financially independent and comfortable, whatever that might look like, at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? So, but this has been the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. I appreciate y'all. Y'all take care. Y'all stay safe, stay healthy. Till next time.